Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Midjourney billing issues in 2026. So if your payment isn't going through, your subscription isn't updating, or you're seeing billing-related errors, here are some common fixes you can try. First, sign in to your Midjourney account and open the billing or subscription section. This is where you'll find details about your current plan, payment status, and renewal information. Next, check whether your payment method is still valid. Make sure your card hasn't expired and that all billing information has been entered correctly. If a payment recently failed, try updating your payment details and submitting the payment again. Yeah, even a small typo in your billing information can cause a transaction to be declined. If you're using Midjourney through Discord, verify that the Discord account is linked to the correct Midjourney account associated with your subscription. You can also check whether Midjourney is experiencing temporary billing system issues or maintenance activities that may affect payments and subscriptions. Finally, revisit the billing page and confirm that your subscription status shows as active before testing any premium features again. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix Midjourney billing issues in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.